Appears that the next entry of Digimon Try is upon us. Loss. I'll have to be honest, this one took me by surprise. When I heard Coexistence was going to be hitting theaters nationwide, I honestly thought that was going to be the next entry. So when I found out that there was one beforehand, I was shocked, but kind of pleased at the same time. So as usual, I figured I'd do a little unboxing video, and then show you the first 10 minutes or so. You may remember sometime, not too long ago, I made a little summary video for those that wanted to see Coexistence in the theaters. This one kind of threw off my summary a little bit, because there was a whole nother movie I was missing. This is always so hard to do with one hand. I wonder how the professionals do it. Some tells me they might have like sharp nails or maybe a razor blade or something. Might have to cut back to this if I'm not able to get it on the first try or so. No pun intended. Yeah, I'm gonna need two hands for this. Okay, there we go. Get my first little bit there. And then just peel it away like an onion. The bottom. And just slowly work our way towards the top. Very good. Oh, missed a little bit. I'm not even sure if that would even show up on the camera. Okay. Now before I open it, there's like a little code in there for the digital copy for copyright sake. And as well as not giving a free code away, I'm just going to take that little pamphlet out and see if there's anything on the other side of it. Oh, there we go. A little advertisement for Coexistence coming out the 10th. I have honestly no idea who this is supposed to be. I'm guessing that's Mekumon's mega form. That looks like Kari there, but that's not, what is her name? Oh, Fanimon. I don't think anyway. And am I excited for that. But that's not what we're talking about. We're here for Loss. So we go inside. And we have Biyomon on both sides. I guess that makes sense, with Sora being the crest of love, and her main color being red. Now, one thing I've started to notice is on the back, they often have a little picture. Not really sure what it is. Maybe I'm going to have to take the other disc out. Don't worry. I'm placing these face up. I do not want anything bad to happen to them. I'm not really sure what that's supposed to be, to be honest. Kind of almost looks like Mekumon a little bit. I don't know. Let me put the discs back in place. So we got the DVD, and we got the Blu-ray. I still love how that's a thing. If this was 20 years ago, that'd be like buying a 2-in-1 pack where one side was VHS and the other was Betamax. That just seems unheard of. Well, let's see if the old black and white TV is working today. If not, I might have to show this in color. To be perfectly honest, I didn't think I was going to get it to work. I've been fiddling with this thing for like a good hour now, and it just magically started coming in. So I'm recording this before it goes again. I like the idea that they got the nice little theme song back again. That was kind of missing from the last entry. Then again, the last entry was where it started to get really dark. Let me see if I can try to summarize what happened last time. So essentially, the digital world was completely corrupted. The only way to do it was to have a hard reboot or a reset, depending on whatever your terminology would be. In doing so, all the Digimon lost their memories, except for, it seems like, Mekumon. The Digidestined were able to get back into the digital world again, and in the very end of the last movie, we actually see them find their old friends again. So it's interesting to see where they might pick up from there. Let's go! Let me just make sure the sound's alright. Hope that's good. So we push play. You just turn it up a little more. Kind of interesting that a traditional animation company would use CG for their intro, but yeah, whatever. Still looks cool. I'm not really sure what the correlation is with that one though, but looks nice. I always keep thinking that's part of the actual movie. '20th anniversary of Digimon. Man, that's pale apt. Kind of crazy to think it's that old. I do hope that's the sound of the actual movie and not the TV breaking up again. Some sort of black rain. Maybe it's blood in actual color, I don't know. Is that? I can't remember what her name is, but she's part of the organization that takes care of... Wait, so is this legitimately like an old movie? This is perfect! Is that Mr. Nishijima? I don't know how I remember his name. He's the Dark Masters. Wait, so are they the original Digidestined? If that's the case, that's amazing. Looks like she has Kari-sen power, being able to be taken over by good souls, I guess.
Light is born from darkness. Darkness finds its way north to become water, while light sails south to give birth to fire. Wind ebbs and flows between the light and the dark. Light slips inside the darkness, where it returns to Earth. Now is the time for you to show us your true nature. Which path, light or darkness, will you choose?
I thought for a second they were going to go for a callback to season 4 with like the Guardians there. A Digimon, Digimon. I hope you're seeing this alright. It seems like it's pretty bright on this monitor. Yeah, that's Digimon. Is he a good guy or a bad guy? Oh. Chuchaomon? All the Guardians. Very interesting. Seems like they brought them all together for the 20th anniversary. Maybe it's just coincidence. Yeah, those are all the Guardians from season 3. I can't remember all their names. I'm almost starting to wonder if this is actually in color, if I were to actually see it in color.
All are rooted in their one true shared trait, and it is from that trait that they are each created. That trait determines and influences how the Digimon will transition into their next form. The question is, what happens to those who were not chosen?
That's quite an intro there. Maybe I'll show a little bit more and then I'll pause it. But yeah, it's important to note that Mako wasn't there in time when the rest were going into the digital world.
My May.
Also, a Digivice seems to have become possessed.
Are you somewhere crying, my little May? I wish I could help you.
Looks like the first area the Digidestin first showed up. That was the trolley they took to get away.
Hey! You guys aren't supposed to be here. Yeah, he's right. You guys are human, aren't you? I can tell by your furry heads.
Whatever they are, I don't like the looks of them.
I don't know. They don't really look all that dangerous to me.
How do you know? Maybe that's how they act right before they eat you.
Looks like
Come to think of
Motimon's the
it,
only
we don't
original.
know what humans eat.
Oh, yeah, and
They're so
Bukamon.
skinny, they must be starving.
Just settle down, please. We can't understand you when you're all talking at once.
We are settled down.
You have not changed, little dear.
Come here, Tanamon. I knew you had to be eaten. No, you stop that. Partners don't eat each other ever, Kay. What's that word mean? What word? Partner. Oh, I get it. You really don't remember me, do you?
Why are
None
you
of them
staring
do.
at me like that? Are you thinking that I look delicious? Is that it?
Not at all.
You're still staring.
Well, look who it is.
Yipes, she spotted you and now she's coming
It's
for
not
you.
very often they ever showed Narudimon, I think her name is.
You didn't run off. That's brave, thank you. I'm Kari. You want to be friends? I
She's the
promise you
smartest
can
one
trust
right
me,
there.
and I won't hurt you. You smell kind of like my whistle. It's familiar somehow.
There we go.
Yokomon, where are you?
I think that'll be a good place to pause it. Well, I'd be very interested to see that intro in color. I wonder if it actually is in black and white. If that's the case, it's like this movie was almost made for me. Because those are my two favorite things, doing black and white stuff and Digimon. So, I'll have to figure out how to recap this in order to edit my little recap video I did a little while ago. But meantime, I'm going to enjoy this. Join me next time for, well, I'm not really sure when Coexistence is going to be on DVD, but we shall see. See you next time.